Hi guys, it's Raissa and I am here and I'm very excited because it's our very first episode of What to Wear When. So like all of you, I'm so busy. I'm like here, I'm there, I have to work, I have to be a mom, I have to go do all these things. And so I went to my Instagram and asked you guys, what do you have coming up? And it seems like everyone RSVP'd to weddings. It's wedding season, it's here, and we all need the best outfits to be the best dressed guests. So for me, and for all of you, I actually have a wedding coming up in Italy in July. That's a black tie wedding, so I'm shopping for that. So I want to show you 3 looks to wear to 3 different weddings. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, was Little Mermaid your favorite Disney movie? Because it was mine too. Hence the mermaid vibes. Right when I saw this dress on the site, I died. And then when I got it in the mail and I tried it on, I died 5 times over. Everything about it, especially obviously the color and the cut, is so flattering. When you're going to a beach destination, basically the water is your step and repeat. So I figured this perfect color would work perfectly with the water. So where do I start with this dress? I love how high the neck is, but how low the back is. And if you're wondering if I'm not wearing underwear, I'm not, but don't tell your date that. Or maybe tell him, I don't know. But what you want to also wear underneath is just, I'm wearing stickies because obviously you can't really wear like a strapless bra or even like cutlets, I think is what you call them. So they sell this on the site as well. They're just like nipple covers and I feel like they work with everything. I also love this slit because when you're walking on the sand, it's so hard sometimes, especially if you've had like 4 drinks, just kidding, like 2. So it's great because you can carry this, pick it up and just kind of walk obviously right to the wedding. What else can I say? I'm wearing these Ray shoes. The heel, I'm actually gonna pick it up and take it off just so you can see it. The heel will be so comfortable. One thing that I love and always think about when I go to weddings is, can I dance with these shoes on? Because I'm gonna be the first person on the dance floor and I'm gonna be the last person on the dance floor. And if you don't have good shoes on, you can't do those things. So I feel like this is gonna let you do that. And I feel like this clear heel really just goes with everything. Michael, that's the other reason why I chose this Michael Lasordo dress, is that I can easily wear this after the wedding. So for instance, if I want to throw like a sweater over it later, you'll still be super duper cute, and you can also just wear it every day in your everyday life. And then accessories. I chose a solid and striped bag. Obviously it looks like a little beachy because it's this great like rattan fabric, but it also works really well with the dress. It kind of tones it down because it's so Little Mermaid. So it's, I think, like the perfect bag. And if you wanted to throw on some accessories, I always love a really good earring like this. This is by 8 Other Reasons, and I actually really love this brand. Not only because they make such cute jewelry, but because it's also so affordable. So we sell them on the site. I love them, and I also really love the designer. This is my beach destination wedding look. The next outfit that I'm gonna put on is the complete opposite of this one. I'll be right back. Guys, I am feeling this look so much. This dress is by Sinkacept, and I would wear this dress to a city wedding. And typically when you get an invite that says like semi-formal, it's kind of confusing because it's like, do you want to be formal or do you want to be semi? And you don't want to be semi ever, right? But I feel like this dress kind of accomplishes that. So it's mini, and I want to kind of just, in terms of proportion, you know, that I'm 5'4", so obviously I'm not that tall at all, but I think it just hits at the perfect length, but I still feel like it's appropriate for a wedding. So the dress has this incredible knot effect, as you can see, and what I love about it is that it's sewn in, so you actually don't have to physically knot the dress, and you don't even have to worry about re-knotting it throughout the night. It's just knotted already. This cowl neck is so flattering, and what's great is that if you are taller, there's straps on here that are adjustable, so you can make it obviously longer or taller depending on your height. But everything about the dress, most especially the color, just says I'm here and I've arrived. But I still love and support you, the bride, because you don't obviously want to be like better than the bride, but I feel like this is again the perfect dress. Shoes, let me get down to business. Always thinking about functionality when I go to an event like a wedding, because you're gonna be there for like so many hours. This heel is great. I've actually worn these shoes like legit for real. So great wedding shoes, and just great, again, everyday shoes that you can wear after your city wedding. So this is the bag that I would use with this outfit. I love this Amber Seats bag. It's so freaking cute. But I wanted to show you guys is if you have an iPhone 11, this is so important to me, because who wants a bag where like you can't even put your stuff in it? But this actually fits your phone perfectly. So I'm wearing Anton Hunis earrings. I love these, cascading effect, which is all over the site right now. They really just dress up the outfit and just makes it more formal without having to do too much. So this is my city wedding look that I really, really love. But you guys, I have one last look and I can't wait to show you. Remember that Italian wedding that I told you about? It's black tie, and I think I'm gonna be wearing this. Okay, here's the lowdown on this Norma Kamali dress. One shoulder, it's so flattering. I mean, everyone's neckline is like really flattering. I also love this color. If you wanna come in hot pink. I'm laughing right on jokes. Okay, so another detail about this dress that I love that is so flattering on every body is this amazing ruching detail on the side. It just hugs you in all the right places in case you don't really have anybody to hug you that night. But okay, so here are a few things about this dress that you may not even know by just looking at it on the site. One, the fabric is so soft and comfortable, and it's really stretchy, so if you just want to go for the full plate at that Italian wedding, there's room. Like there's a lot of space here. Also, there's a built-in underwear. I just thought to share that with you guys, because if you're wondering what to wear underneath or if it's gonna hold you in, it just truly holds you in because of that built-in underwear. Also, this dress comes in 7 other colors. This is the 8th one, and it's actually an exclusive for REVOLVE, so you can't get anywhere else, which is just a huge plus overall. Accessories. This is what I paired this whole entire look with. So this belt, unfortunately, it's by Girlfriend. It's sold out on the site, but I'm gonna put other options for a sparkly number in the description box below. Shoes, let me get down to business. So I'll come over, I'm gonna put my bag down. So Schutz is the brand of these shoes, and again, I chose something that is super functional, and this heel achieves just that. I can run around all day in Lake Como wearing this. That's where the wedding will be, and it matches back to the sparkly belt, and I think it's just a perfect shoe. Okay, for the bag, it's Etika. It's a great clutch. Obviously, I have a theme going here, sparkly, and just fabulous. And this bag is just that. It actually comes with a strap, but I removed it so that I can just kind of carry it like this. And it just looks sparkly. You can kind of like play around with it. Also, it's a good prop for a photo. Look at this. A boomy on the gram. Are you getting it? So this is my final look for a black tie wedding. I, again, love this dress because I feel like you can wear it super duper dressed up with all these accessories. But if you were just wearing it on a regular day, throw on a blazer, a belt over it, and you have a whole new look. Guys, we did it! Our first ever What to Wear When episode is done. Hopefully you have some inspiration on what to wear when you're going to 3 different types of weddings. But if you have something else in your calendar and you want to get some advice, some outfit inspiration, send me a message on Instagram and tell me where you're going to next, and we'll try to do a what to wear when whatever. Also, everything that I'm wearing in this episode will be linked out in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Leave a comment below on your favorite look, and let's see if it's the same one that I chose that I have in my head. Okay, I think that's it. Don't forget to comment, to subscribe, to like, to do all the things. Come back, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!